So now, this is a solve for x question. So what you need to do here, you just have to multiply the whole equation by 2 to the power of x. You're just trying to remove this 2 to the power of x from being what? From the denominator side. So now, you'll say 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by this one. It will just give you what? 2 to the power of 2x. Because now you're going to add, okay, let me just write it like this. We'll have 2 to the power of 2x like this, then minus. Here, when you multiply with the 2, you just get a 12, because the 2 to the power of 2x will cancel. And then here you get minus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of what? X. Now, when you do this here, you'll get 2 to the power of what? 2x, just because what? Just because you added the exponents. And then let's bring this to the other side. You'll have plus, then 4 to the power of 2, what? 2x, and then minus a 12 equals to this. So once you get this now, this thing is more like x squared plus 4x minus a 12 is equals to a 0. Because if you are to check here, we can say let 2 to the power of x maybe be k. If this is a k, it means this now will be what? Will be k squared. So that's why I just said, okay, this is the same as you having an equation like this. Because this is another method of solving it, instead of letting what? Letting 2 to the power of what? X to be k. So I'll leave it like this, and then let us proceed. So factorizing here, it means we just have this. Numbers which when you multiply them together, they give you a negative 12 plus, but when you add them together, they give you a 4. It's just a 6 and a 2. So which one needs to be a positive? This one needs to be a positive. This one needs to be a negative. Here you'll write 2 to the power of x, and then 2 to the power of x, then equals to 0. Now you'll have 2 to the power of x is equals to 2, and then 2 to the power of x is equals to a negative what? Negative 6. So if you're to check here the bases are the same. It means the exponents will be equal. Here you'll have this. Then for this one now, you'll just say there's no what? No solution here. So this is your answer.